Adam, I want to be very clear. When you lent these boots, you did so knowing that there was a real and substantial risk that Danny, wearing them in the purpose for which he described, which was as a drag queen at Pride, might damage them. What's more, he's the type of person that might get drunk. In other words, you knew the risk. You lent them anyway. Consequently, whether he pressured you into it or not, that would be your fault. And had he simply got out of the cab and gone straight to Pride, I would have awarded you nothing. However, I'm perfectly satisfied that there was negligence here. And the negligence relates to him getting out of the cab and walking along without paying due care and attention, with the camera right in front of him. Because he wasn't paying due care and attention, that's the reason he fell. And as a result, he damaged your property. You are entitled in law to the full original value of those shoes, to replace those shoes, not new ones. Consequently, this court awards you the full value, which is £155. That's the award of this court. Sir, you have to be very careful when you take care of another person's property. Understand?
Understand.
And trust me, the public are watching and they all think that 2 inches matter.
Adam won his case and was awarded the full amount of his claim.
Follow me out. Okay, Danny.
Let's find out how both parties felt about the judge's ruling.
Thank you.
I feel really happy. Like, I deserved exactly what I got, as so did he. He needed to be aware of what he'd done, and this amount of damage to a pair of heels, trying to replace it with super glue, it needed to be brought to attention.
I do live streams when I'm walking all the time. I've never fell over before, but I think it was my fault.
I was really angry, absolutely mortified that I put trust into someone, and it was a massive amount of disrespect. I found it hilarious that he'd fallen over, but at the same time I knew he'd destroyed my shoes. So I didn't know what to feel with that.
I had every intention of replacing them, but he got there first and replaced them, so I don't see why I should have to, and I don't think it was my fault in the first place. I hope we can still be friends and that we can put this behind us.
Just don't expect to borrow any of my heels.
I won't.
If you enjoyed that video, then I strongly suggest clicking here for more highlights. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, and why not, so that you never miss out, subscribe. Clicking down there, that's an order.